So this is a really easy tutorial because you just have to look and search for a box. Since I have a lot of polygel tubes for my nails, I have to really organize it. So first, since I have some stickers to deco, I have to decorate it anyway, so it doesn't look like just the actual box. So it's gonna be like an organizer, so gonna be more look like organizer. So I put some stickers on it. So let's hold it right there. So for the box, what is inside, I put a division on it and some paper stickers to make neat designs. So I measure first my polygels, how long and how big it is to fit it inside it. So there you go. Tada! Now my polygel nails for my nails is now organized. Love it. See you next time, guys. Thank you.